Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a quick review on the beach oil fragrances. Now, if you have a oil diffuser like this one and you need some fragrances to go along with it to smell up your entire room, these are the perfect ones, guys. I absolutely love them. They're kind of like a beach theme, but let me go ahead and open them so I can kind of show you the different fragrances that it has. So as you can see, guys, we have 6 different fragrances here. They smell absolutely amazing. As soon as I took off the cover, I could just get a whiff of them and they smell absolutely delicious. Now, obviously, we do have a little bit of a theme going on. We have the beach theme, so I'm gonna go ahead and take them out and kind of show you the different fragrances that it includes. So the first fragrance that we have is the sea salt fragrance. They're very interesting, guys. They are basically like going through the beach and just getting different smells of everything that's there. We also have the beach samba. See, we have another beach one. They smell really, really good. This one is the coastal linen, and forgive me if I'm mispronouncing them. I always butcher every name, but this one's the coastal linen. I really like that one as well. We have the coconut one. Now, obviously, we have a coconut smell here. We had to have a coconut smell. It's really interesting names and really interesting like smells that it includes. We also have the pink sands. That's so crazy. We have a pink sand smell. It smells delicious. Now, my personal favorite has got to be the ocean mist, guys. I absolutely love the smell. It smells like Guy's cologne, and who doesn't like Guy's cologne? Even us girls, we like wearing them a couple of times because they just smell amazing. Now, obviously, if you want to pour it into your diffuser, all you have to do is just add water to it and then add a couple of drops. Honestly, with 2 drops, it smells up the entire room, so I absolutely love them. But overall, guys, these oil beach fragrances are amazing. I absolutely love them, and I would definitely recommend them.